morning. So I'm on my way up to the Red Cow Lewis Line car park, where I'm going to be parking and being collected by Martin from the Hiking Buddies Ireland page. Martin and the team have been absolutely incredible, the amount of work that they've put in to the second trip over to Snowdon. Martin's driving the bus. We're heading to Holyhead, Snowdonia, Snowdon, and we're hiking at 2 o'clock in the morning to head up to the Dawn Summit. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. So thanks to the Hiking Buddy page. Check it out. I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, this is going to be a good trip. I'm really looking forward to it. So yeah, thanks for joining me in another adventure, and let's see what we can get up to. All right, we'll chat to you in a while. Bye bye.
So 3 hours. Okay. Fine, so should we kick off?
Let's do it. Everybody else.
That was one of the most spectacular hikes I've ever done. Snowdon, wow. Literally blown away. And the guides that we have were absolute legends. I'll put their details in the description, but if you're ever coming over here, like, look for these guys, they were brilliant. I want to say a massive thank you to Martin and the team for Hiking Buddies Ireland. I'll leave their details in it as well. But an unbelievable amount of work that went into organising these events, like, you've no idea. And it's gone flawlessly so far, and everybody's just having a nice relaxed time. So yeah, absolute brilliant. So I'm absolutely chuffed, tired. I've really we were talking about having a beer on the way down, but it's 7:30 in the morning and we're finished. So anyway, look, thanks very much for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications of the next adventures. And yeah, until next time, I'm pooped. Stay safe out there and stay safe out in the mountain.